Hello guys, today I'm going to give you 5 tips for getting a girl to like you. That being said, let's get straight into the video. Tip number 1. Be independent. This means that you should know what you want in life and know what you want in a relationship. Tip number 2. Have passion. Girl love when a man is passionate about something. Examples of these are playing sports, playing an instrument, some sort of that. Girls love it when man do that. Tip number 3. Sense of humor. Girl love to laugh a lot and they love when a man have a great sense of humor. Tip number 4. Take care of yourself. Guys, I can't stress this enough. You need to always look clean, smell fresh, and just take care of yourself. That way you will get a lot of girls attracted to you. Tip number 5. Give her attention. Now girls love it when you notice something new about her and compliment it. If she is talking, listen to her and surprise her later so that she knows you are listening. Treat her different from other girls. Special. Now that she knows that you are treating her special, you have her attention. That being said, we have come to today's end of the video, and I hope this was useful to you and you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Have a productive day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.